Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the phone physically and using a clean reboot to clear temporary triggers. First, make sure battery is above 20% so the device can restart reliably. Once done, press and hold the power key for about 10 seconds to force shutdown. This bypasses apps that block normal restart. Then press power briefly to boot. If safe mode persists, proceed to the next slide to remove app or system causes and inspect boot behavior. Once you boot and still see safe mode, focus on apps and system changes because safe mode loads only core services. You should uninstall any apps added or updated in the past 2 to 3 days. Problematic apps often trigger safe mode at startup. Make sure to reboot after each removal so you can confirm which app caused the issue. If nothing changes, clear cache for suspect apps and check settings for device admin permissions that could force limited boot behavior. To finish, clear the system cache from recovery mode to eliminate corrupted startup files. This often resolves persistent safe mode. If that fails, back up your data and perform a factory reset from settings right arrow general management. This removes software causes. As a final troubleshooting tip, check hardware. A stuck volume or power button can force safe mode during boot. If you suspect a button issue, have the device inspected or use repair service.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.